Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Match.com website step by step. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you can simply type in Match.com. And then hit go or enter on your keyboard, after which you can hit join now, and then select if you're a man or a woman. Select who you want to meet. Then enter your birthday and then hit that's it. After that, you'll be asked for your email along with your password, and then enter your birthday, hit that's it, enter your postal code in your area, hit that's it again, and then enter your email, verify your email, and then sign up for your account. After you have signed up for your account, you can head back over to Match.com and then hit already a member. After that, you can simply enter your email along with your password and then hit sign in to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.